In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the dashboard design in Tableau for the best viewing experience using automatic, ranged, and fixed settings. Whether you're working on presenting data to a team or analyzing metrics for a project, creating a visually pleasing and functional dashboard is crucial. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you'll want to get it from their website. Once you have the app open, you should access your worksheet. This is where all your data is, and we're going to build your dashboard step by step from here. Now, navigate over to the Dashboard tab. It's time to start piecing together your layout. Begin by designing your dashboard using a fixed size. This step will help you establish your core layout and ensure all elements appear just the way you want them to. Fixed size is great when you're aiming for a consistent look, regardless of the monitor or the device the dashboard is being viewed on. Spend some time here, tinkering with your elements to get them looking just perfect. Once your core layout is in place using the fixed setting, it's critical to see how this design goes beyond a single screen size. Switch to a range size layout. This is where you allow your dashboard design to adapt to different screen widths, ensuring that it doesn't break or look awkward on varying monitor sizes. A good tip here is to drag the borders of the dashboard to see how your design flexes or needs adjustments. Next, if you're aiming to cater to mobile or tablet users as well, you'll need to optimize for devices. Tableau gives you the option to use device layouts that can be customized for different devices like phones or tablets. This step ensures your dashboard is responsive, offering a seamless viewing experience no matter the device. Adjusting your dashboard for mobile layouts might mean rearranging components or simplifying the dashboard elements to fit smaller screens effectively. Finally, once your device layouts look good, it's crucial to continuously test your dashboard's appearance across different screen sizes and types. Testing your dashboard on multiple devices ensures that you find the optimal configuration for your users. You might discover that some elements need tweaking or that certain layouts work better on specific devices. Adjust and retest until satisfied. By placing emphasis on adapting your design to various screen sizes and types of devices, you'll ensure that your dashboard is accessible and looks professional in every situation. This flexible yet thorough approach guarantees an optimal and engaging experience for your users. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.